Hi, I'm going to demonstrate just how easy it is to set up the Hunter Smart Seat. When you open up the seat, you'll find two 6-foot 1-inch straps. You take the first strap, go around the tree through the 1 1/4 inch loop. Snug it up to the tree. Your weight will hold that on the tree. Then you'll find two O-rings, double O-rings on the seat. First you go through both of them, and then you come back and you split the O-rings like this, come back through. That gives you your strength right there to tighten. And you bring it up to your tree, judging on how far the trees are apart. Then you do the same thing to the other side. Again, snub it up to the tree. Your body weight will hold it. Again, you come back through both O-rings and then through one O-ring like this. You adjust it to the height that, for your legs. Not like that. And we always put a little snub, a little slip knot like that, just to make sure there's never any slippage on the O-rings. There's two ways you can do it. I like to straddle it. That way I can put my back right up against the tree and I can be ready, comfortable. I've got a tree breaking up my outline. The other way is to sit straight on. If you've got some good cover in front of you, this is an excellent way. You've got a lot of movement. Anything comes up behind you, you can swing, you can cover a whole area. Very, very quick, very simple, and very sturdy, and very comfortable.